It begins here. Thousands of eggs, warmed and waiting. Each egg checked against the light. Only healthy ones continue. New life, right on schedule. Thousands hatch the same day. Vaccinated within hours. Protecting the whole flock ahead. Within a day, they're on their way to the farm. Inside a broiler house built for tens of thousands.
Fed automatically, around the clock, every single day.
Clean water, always available. Precisely controlled. Weeks later, a house of tens of thousands, fully grown.
Ready for processing.
Loaded crate by crate. In another building, the layers, thousands of hens, daily eggs. Collected automatically the moment each egg is laid. Washed and sanitized. Washed before they ever reach a carton. Graded by size and quality. Thousands checked per minute.
Packed by machine. Precise, gentle, and constant. Constant. At the plant now, where the next stage begins.
Fully automated, built to process thousands every hour. Rapidly chilled. Food safety built into every step. Labeled and sealed, ready for stores nationwide. From farm to store, feeding millions every single day.